Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Saki Does Stuff, Toys and Collectibles. We are back at the table here, and we are going to unbox the Masters of the Universe Evil Horde member Leech from Hordak's team. The figure really sticks to smooth surfaces, so the suction cups actually work. But it comes with the original style head and hands, and it also has an open jaw, open mouth head, and some open hands that you can swap, and we'll do that here. 40th anniversary edition deluxe figure. Turning it around, I did find out on my other Origins ones the actual figures. On the backs, it's a matte artwork with the glossy figures on them on all the packages that I went and looked through. So I guess it'd been a while since I unpackaged one of these things. But we have He-Man, Skeletor. Those look like the 2000X versions, which I do not have. We unboxed Snout Spout last time. We're going to unbox Leech this time. I have the Roton. And actually got these two figures coming. So it won't be long till we do my antenna and pig head. But for now, we need to unbox Leech. So I'm going to, again, try to be careful. Not to... I think it's cool they do that. So you don't, if you're careful, you don't completely destroy your package. Because until I get my shelving system built, and I want to have with glass doors on it, I think I'm going to put the figures back in their packages and just set them on shelving for now until I get that enclosed. Kind of protect them from the dust and all that stuff, you know. Further over to there. Let's see, can we pull Leech out of there? We can pull the comic out, and it's the same as Snout Spout's Night of the Leech. Got a little instruction booklet on how to operate your new Leech. Let's see if we can get him out of here yet. I might have to go a little further. There we go. That'll get the accessories out anyway. And we can pull the figure out. Excellent. And there we go. Look at that. Pull him up there, and I'll pull the accessories out of there. Each has to have his horde bow. Go up a little bit more. Until then, the hands are gone out. Got a stuffed hand. There it is, and now the head. It might require me to pop most of it out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, and I'll probably put the figures and accessories back in and just put them on the shelf like that till I get my, well, probably closer, you can't see that. Just set them on my shelving like that to protect them for now. So that's why I save all my packaging. But I eventually plan to have a nice little, what I plan to do is, if you ever seen the Eternia artwork with the Eternia in the middle and then the Castle Grayskull and the Snake Mountain, and then you have everybody doing battle, I plan on doing a diorama of that eventually, but that's going to be down the road for sure, because I got a lot of figures and stuff that I need to collect first. Get the scissors out over here, and we will free Leech from this plasticky, whatever you want to call it. Again, I love it how you can cut these off from the back so you don't scratch your figure all up. Maybe. It's proving to be difficult this time. The scissors just don't want to close completely. Come on. It'll grab it. Wow, that's a tough one. That's that hand out. Like so. Yay, he's free there. Do you have any on the feet? Oh yeah. Yeah, right at the end there. Hopefully I can do this a little better this time. There we go. That one was just tough. These actually pulled through. So I should be able to just push them through the hole, huh? Excuse me. I don't want to damage my leech. He even got the little pull tab thingies. There we go, that one's free. Repeat the same process. Just peel his little suction cuppy feet away and snip that away like that. And did we get this one? Yeah, we did. Got one around your neck. Sometimes they have them. Doesn't look like it. Looks like you should just pop right out of there now. There we have it. Leech. I remember the original one. The body was like bigger, I think. Unless it's just because when I was a kid, everything. You know, when you're a kid, looks huge, and then you look at it when you're an adult, and you're like, well, that wasn't so big after all. But this is Leech with the, it even has a little pull tab so that when you do, should we do some push-ups here? Oh yeah. Suction grip. It does. The feet. That's going to be a nice figure to display. He'll suck on there and I don't got to worry about him falling off, I don't think. But the original one, yeah, nice and popped off there. The original one had a button in the back that you would put the face down and like this. Then you had to like pump it to get it to actually suck in. Yeah, the suction cups work very well. I like that. Probably won't do that to the mouth one, otherwise I might lose my detail there. But let's get the crossbow out. Oh, looks like it does as it should. Doesn't really fit over that arm. I don't want to force it and break it. Yeah. But anyways, it should just plop over the, make sure I don't scratch it. What am I doing? Oh, it is engaged. So you just push down on here and it should, yep, it springs forward. Cool. That works as it should. It sounded like it broke. I had to look to make sure the nub didn't break off. That would have been a bummer. But that's the crossbow. And let's go ahead and pop these hands off and let's see what it looks like with the did I do that right? I'm assuming that's a thumb. I will probably display my leech with the suction cup handle. I always worry about these breaking when we better consult the instruction manual. Boy, I like to, I've got them balanced well. There we go. How's it showing that's supposed to be? It's not showing. It shows them with the suction cup hands. Well, I might have. It looks weird, don't it? It doesn't look right. But I'm assuming these are thumbs. Because it looks weird either way to me. Oh, that looks a little better. Okay, maybe that's the way it's supposed to go, maybe. And now does your crossbow fit? Yep, the crossbow fits over. This is the crossbow hands. So, aim them there. You used to be able to pop them on the wrist like that, and then they kind of fit in the elbow area like that back in the day. But let's get the other head on here. Pops into place just now. You know, that's actually a cool head there too. I kind of like that as well. Need to adjust. There we go. Now you're forward heavy now. One extreme to another. Are you gonna stay? I think he's gonna stay. But there we go with the open hands and the open mouth. I do kind of like that. Closer here so you can kind of see what's going on. Yeah, that's a cool head. I don't know. Now I'm torn. Kind of like that. I do like the suction cup hands better, though, than these. But there's Leech. Yeah, I do like that head now that I'm looking at it. Maybe I'll do the suction cup hands and let's try that. Let's get suction cup hands on. And again, I might have put the hands on upside down because it's... No, I think those are thumbs. They just look weird to me. It's probably because they're hands and not the suction cups. They have small little sockets, so I don't think that I want to interchange them quite a bit because I could see them breaking. There we go. Yeah. I'm going to have my Leech with the suction cup hands. There we go. There, they sealed up nice. Let's see if I can get it to pop over here. There we go. That's how the vintage one used to be. With the new head. Yeah, it would display really good either way. I guess that's your preference if you really cool new head or the original head. Oh, yeah. The more I look at them, there's a side profile. It's basically just taking the suction cup off and making an open mouth, it looks like. And actually, you got a bump here. The ears are very, not as pronounced. These look like ears, instead of one big bump on his head. So that's a difference. Either way, nice options to have. But that is Leech for the Origins line. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.